Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Minecraft exit code 6. This error usually happens because of corrupted game files, mod conflict, outdated launcher, or incorrect Java setup. First, restart Minecraft and your computer to clear any temporary system glitches, and next, just go ahead and go to your options and go to Resources Pack and remove all of the shaders and mod. And also remove your shader and also remove your resources and launch the game again, because incompatible mods are a common causes of this error. After that, just go ahead and go to any browser to your liking and search for Minecraft Launcher. And make sure the Minecraft launcher is updated to the latest version by just going to the official website. Now install or update Java if you are using Minecraft Java Edition, since outdated Java can cause launch failure. Next, check if your Minecraft version matches your installed mod, because version mismatch often leads to crashes. If the issue still continues, completely reinstall Minecraft to replace any corrupted game files. So the simple rule is corrupted file or bad mods can cause exit code 6, and a clean installation with a updated launcher usually fixes it. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Minecraft exit code 6 by removing mods, updating Java and the launcher, and reinstalling the game if needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.